Hey there! If you have built some amazing gaming PC, like for example with RTX 5090, please don't ruin it with a cheap cable. Here I have Silkland DisplayPort 2.1 cable, model S1334. It's officially VESA certified and built for real performance. It supports 4K at 240, 8K at 60, and even 16K at 60 Hz. You can also unlock incredible refresh rates, up to 540 or even 960 Hz in 4K. And this cable was made with gaming in mind. With variable refresh rate, auto-low latency mode, forward error correction and display stream compression, it delivers smooth, stable visuals. No lag, no screen tearing, no flickering. And with multi-stream transport, you can easily connect more than one monitor. The build quality is excellent. Gold-plated connectors, triple layer shielded, and strong nylon design. It's plug and play, no latch, no stress, no surprises. It works perfectly with all new graphic cards like 5090 for example. And yes, it also delivers high-resolution 32-bit surround sound. So if you're upgrading your setup, like I did it, and you want every frame, every detail, every decibel to look and sound perfect, don't miss this. And from my point of view, the price for this cable is also very nice. So don't waste your time and check the link down below in the description for this amazing Silkland DisplayPort 2.1 cable. And now let's go back to the build.
You're the final flows like miracles send. Jesus Christ, I'm your man. No hate's not the answer.